This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear light cluster bulbs renewal. First, you will need to remove the light unit. Open the tailgate, remove the access panel and unscrew the plastic wing nut fixings. Release the peg at the side by prising the light unit away, then disconnect the wiring plug. Twist the relevant bulb holder anti-clockwise and remove it. Push and twist the relevant bulb anti-clockwise to remove it from the bulb holder. Where a wedge or capless bulb is fitted, pull the bulb straight out. Reconnect the wiring plug, align the peg at the side and refit the rear light cluster. Tighten the plastic wing nut fasteners and refit the access panel. Close the tailgate and check the operation of the lights.